Right guys, Ed shed, low battery, but look, Lee is painting it all white on the night. Is that right?
I saw another YouTube creator saying how you could brush paint a Mini.
Yeah, so you can brush, if you can brush paint a Mini, you can brush paint a bloody E Type.
Yeah, well,
what paint did he use?
He obviously used professional paint and he thinned it out and he was doing it in a warm environment, which obviously is not what we're doing.
Well, turn the fire around, haven't you?
I had it pointed at me, you keep kicking it over.
Yeah, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Alright, so it's all my fault. Right, so for the minute, what we're doing is we're giving it a brush painting of white paint. Okay? Now, I know that obviously you're going to say, why did you spray it? And we're going to say, why did we spray it again, Lee?
Compressors and dust.
Yeah, compressors, dust and shite. Anyway, so I'll just take you over to show you the old bent frames, just quickly. The frames. Look, they're all white as well.
First coat.
First coat, yeah. Put it on thicker. Have you put a hardener with it?
I have, it's called air.
He's put hardener with it. But yeah, but he's trying to get him into a white coat because I am going to, when he's not looking, once they've got the, I'm gonna just bolt them all on. So next time you want to see it, I might have the engine frames on.
That actually was going to be what I was going to say.
What were you going to say?
It's now that I've got one coat of those onto those, then why not bolt them on and then I'll do a second coat when they're on the car.
Well, you have to get them to let it dry for a bit.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to do it today.
Oh, so see, he's not doing it today.
Running out of time.
Yeah, well, it's run out of time. So that means again, I'll probably get it. It'll probably be done before he even notices it. Just get loads of paint on around the mountain area so you can touch the rest up because I might have it on there by then.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing the front again. Yeah. Then you can put those on and then we can paint the frames.
Yeah. Well, can't you get another coat today? After we'll put some food in, put some cow in. That's our plan. But you got to admit, right? Although everyone says like brush painting is crap, it's not actually that bad. Because it shines all right, doesn't it?
It does shine all right.
It does, apart from the runs.
It's starting to.
Yeah, that's because you're getting a bit thick.
No, it's not that thick. It says it's.
That's what he says. He's sticking to it. Anyway, get that gopped over, goppage. There's all the stuff that's ready to go on. Look at that lot, ready to go on. I'm going to say, guys, thanks for liking, thanks for watching, and thanks for commenting. I wish you would. I wish you'd go, I hate it. Hate you. Anyway, we won't say that. I hope you say you like it, because you know how many hours of my life we wasted doing this? The hours I can't get back.
Yeah, well, if you had them, you'd already wasted them.
Yeah, that's true, because you know what they say? Time is precious. Waste it wisely. So, I'm going to call a halt to the video there. I'm going to bring you around and show you, because some people have all got their own bit where they got like a stamp made in America and all that stuff. Well, I got my new end of video thing is going to be time is precious, waste it wisely. See you soon. Bye.